Barbados entrepreneur reveals the internet marketing system nobody talks about. Are you tired of feeling trapped in the same financial cycle? Working hard but never quite reaching the freedom you desire? What if there was a way to break free and build something that truly belongs to you? Welcome to a new era of wellness, wealth, and lifestyle with Dbimmer Reliefnett. For over 9 years, we've been helping people just like you transform their lives through proven internet marketing strategies that most gurus keep to themselves. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or empty promises. It's about real education and systems that empower you to build a profitable home business on your terms. Our step-by-step training shows you exactly how to leverage spirituality, mindset optimization and internet marketing to create sustainable income streams. No technical background required. Imagine waking up each morning with the freedom to pursue your passions without financial limitations. That's the reality we've helped create for countless entrepreneurs worldwide. Ready to unlock your potential? Visit dbimmerreliefnett.com, destiny building today, and take the first step toward true independence.